Tutorial number 8. Let's start a new sketch on top plane. Now let's go to the next sketch tool, the arc. If you expand the menu, you have 3 different types of arcs, and this time you don't need to draw a whole circle. You can just draw your arcs. So let's try to make a center point rectangle in the origin, and now let's activate the 3 points arc. So here you see the 3 points arc shaded in here, and you can see a hint how you can use that or where you place your points: the first point, second point, and third point. So here you can select first point and second point. Now you can specify the radius of your arc. So you are done, click there. So you are done. So the second type is the 2 points arc, and this time you are not able to change. In this case, 2 points, you are not able to change in the radius of your arc, so you have only one choice will be defined to be as a tangent. So let's select this 2 point, first point, second point. Let's try. So here you see your arc. So you can select a different place. You are able to see your arc. So here is your arc. So it gives you an arc with the radius between these 2 points. So this is the only way to get that arc. Let's try to use it with 2 lines here. Let's select the 2 points arc, select this point, this point. So this is your arc. And you have a third type where you can choose your center point, then start to draw an arc from that center point. And now let's move to polygon. It's also quite easy to use. Polygon, then choose the number of edges, 3. If you select 3, simply you're going to create a rectangle. So this is a very fast way to use polygon to create a very fast rectangle. And there is 2 options to make it outside the circle or inside the circle. Here you can change the number of your polygons, edges, and then one thing, you can add the dimension for your polygon. And one thing I want to say, if you want to define it, you can select one of the edges, deactivate the smart dimension, select one edges, add a relation, make horizontal, then make this point to the origin, center point. So you define your polygon. So this is a way how to define your polygons.